to what you have that you need it, and you know it. Keep your faith in Him, keep your faith in love. This is the time when I walk away, but I know that I have to stay, 'cause I'm having my mistake, and I don't know why. But I know I gotta dry my eyes, be strong and recognize, even when the sunset rises, I survive. Still sitting in the waiting room, praying the nurse will be coming soon, so she can tell me what to do. But I suddenly lose my faith. Tell me how I'm gonna demonstrate the big love.